So in the last session, just I started string data structure. As a part of that, introduction to the string and how to represent a string and what is mean by triple quotes, how we can declare triple quotes, and the creation of string objects, like in how many ways we can create a string object, and the index concept, slice operator part 1. So in slice operator, so just we discussed one simple syntax which is going to take starting index and ending index. How the strings are extracted, we have seen very clearly. So the next one is slice operator part 2. Slice operator part 2. So what is this slice operator part 2? In the sense, here in addition to starting index, ending index, you need to provide one more attribute, so which is called as step value. So it will fetch either single or group of characters from starting index to ending index minus 1 with given, okay, with given step value. Whatever step value you have given, with that it will extract. So but to understand this, definitely we need to take some basic example. So let us take the same thing, like string. I am declaring a b c d e f g h I j. Okay, so 7 8 9, and this one is nothing but maybe I will take up to G. It is okay. Yeah. So what is my requirement is, if I print yes, we are going to get the total string that we have seen already. How diagrammatically we can represent this string in the sense? So totally we have 6 characters, 7 characters are there. So A, B, C, next D, E, F, and then G. Like this we have. And if you see here, this is nothing but 0th location. So first location, second location, third location, fourth location, and fifth location. So 0th location, first location, so second, third, fourth, so fifth, and then sixth. And S is pointing to this particular memory location. So coming to the negative index, it is -1, it is -2, it is -3, it is -4, it is -5, and it is -6, and it is -7. Like that we have. So if we are trying to print S of 0:6 colon 1 or 0:7 colon 1, what is the meaning of this is, try to extract the characters from 0th location to 7 minus 1, that is a 6. And what is the step value? 1. So first it is going to fetch the character located at 0th location, which is nothing but A. So 0 plus 1, 1. So B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. So you are going to get all the characters what we have. Suppose if I am taking the same 0 to 7, but step value I am taking like a 2. So what is the meaning of this? Sir, starting 0th location character, which is nothing but A. Okay. So I am going to take 0 plus 2. What is the value? 2. In second location, which character is there? 6. 2 plus 2, 4. In fourth location, which character is there? E. So 4 plus 2, 6. In sixth location, what character is there? G. So 6 plus 2, 8, right? But 8 is not there. So it is going to stop up to this. Let me check really whether ACEG is coming or not. Latest output ACEG. Py space test.py, you can see ACEG is coming. Like what is the behavior of a slice operator? It is very clear for you, the second version. So anyone having doubts up to this, please let me know.
Once again, can you please repeat uh, the step value function? How are you
Uh,
using it?
a step value, whatever step value we have given, that will be added for the starting index. Okay, like first 0th location, 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Like that it is going to get.
Okay,
Clear,
bro.
madam?
Can you give up one more example so it will be clear?
Yeah, sure, sure. I will give. First two examples are clear, right?
Yes, clear.
Sir, everyone please confirm.
Yes, sir, clear.
Any questions? Can I go for next example?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So now print of yes of. So I'm taking 0 colon 7 colon 3. Tell me how much we have to add for every time?
3.
3. So starting index is 0. So 0 plus 3,
EG.
3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. But 9 is not included. So what is the character present at 0th
ADG.
location? A. In third location D. In sixth location G.
G.
So we are going to get ADG here. Suppose if I am trying to take S of 1 colon 7 colon 3. So what is the meaning of this? Starting from first location. So first location character is B. 1 plus 3. What is the value? 4. In fourth
4,
location we have E. 4 plus 3. 7. Is
7.
there any seventh location?
No.
No.
No. Then we are going to get BE. BE. Like that we have. So do you have any queries? Sir, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear enough.
Very good. So now what is the next one I'm taking is, so print of yes of. So I want to start from 0. I'm giving ending index as a 7, but I'm not giving any step value. So if we are not giving any step value, what is the default step value? 1. Default step value is always 1. So what is the output? You will get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. Sir, even I am not giving starting index, I am giving ending index and step value. What is the output? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sir, I'm not giving, I'm giving starting value, but I'm not giving ending, I'm giving step value. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if you want, you can see what output we are going to get. Like this we have. Sir, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So from this,
Yes.
just I wanted to write some conclusions here. What is that conclusion? In forward direction. In forward direction. Sir, in forward direction. Forward direction means what? Left to right. When we are moving from left to right, tell me, so what is the default value? What is the default value for starting index? If you are not
0.
giving, 0 is the
0.
starting. So default value for ending index. What is the default value for ending index? Length of
Length
the
of
Length of
N
S.
minus 1.
length of the string, correct? Not minus 1.
Okay.
You can see in
Yes.
examples what is the maximum value? 7, right?
Yep.
Right. So now tell me default value for step value. What is the
1.
default value?
1.
1.
1. If you are not giving, then default value is nothing but 1. Are you clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So now I want to take example in the reverse direction, sir. Like negative things I'm going to take. One second. Now, so I'm going to take negative indexing. Let us see how negative indexing is going to work. So I'm taking -1 colon -8 colon -1. Sir, in this case, what will happen? What is the starting index, sir? Come on, speak. What is the starting index?
minus
-1.
1
-1. Which character is there?
G
G. So what is the step value?
-1
-1.
So -1 -1. What is the value?
minus
-2.
2
-2. Which character is there?
F
F.
So -2 -1 -3.
minus
Minus
3
So
E.
like that, we are going to get all the characters in reverse direction. Are you clear, friends?
Well, there
yes
is no -8, right? How could you do that?
In the previous example also, there is no 7 index, right?
it will exclude that one, right?
Yes, always second argument is excluded. Ending argument is always excluded. In the same way here also, what is the ending argument? -8. It will stop one step before. That means what? -7. Clear?
Yes
Yes.
Now, so print of, I'm taking s of -1 colon -8 colon -2. Now, what is output? What is the first character?
G.
G
G. -1 -2
E, E,
-3
minus
C,
3
K.
E.
E
-3 -2
minus
-5
5
-5. C.
-5
C
-2 A.
A.
Correct?
7 and that is a yep
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, so let me talk directly about the default values. See, I'm not giving starting value. I'm giving ending value as a -8, step value as a -1. What is output? If we are not giving default value, what is the default value it will take? -1, right?
minus 1
Then what is the output? Can I say the same GFEDCBA? Correct?
in the reverse order, yep.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes sir.
Now, so I don't want to give ending index, but I want to give starting index. Now also same output. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So let me write this point again, like in the reverse direction. So backward, in backward direction, okay, that is nothing but what? Right to left, right to left. What is the default value for starting? -1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
What is the default value for ending? Can I say minus of length plus 1? Is it right, friends?
Correct, sir.
Yeah
In this example, length is what? 7.
minus
7.
7 yeah
7 plus 1 will become what?
8
-8 is the ending index. Correct?
Yes,
yes
sir.
Now, so let me talk about the step. See, what I am doing here is I am taking s of, I'm taking index value as a -1, ending index value as a -8. I'm not taking step. Now, what is output?
It will be same as first one, second one.
So, like it is going to print this one. Am I right, sir?
yes
Yes, sir.
Now, see what is the output you are getting. You are getting empty string. Sir, why it is returning empty string? Because you are starting from which location? -1.
minus
You are ending it here, but which direction you are going to move? That you didn't mention. Correct?
1 yeah
So whether it is in this direction or in this direction, compulsory you have to mention. If it is left to right, it is always +1. If it is right to left, it is always -1. Sir, +1 is the default, but -1 is not a default. Why means? I will give an example. Just now I told s of colon colon -1, if you take, what is the meaning? It is going to give the string in reverse order. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
yes
If I am taking s of colon colon, that's all, +1. What is the output you are going to get? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Correct?
Yes, the complete string.
If I'm taking S of colon colon, I'm not giving any step value. Is it going to take +1 or -1?
+1.
+1.
+1. That means for step value, only one default value is allowed. What is the default value? +1.
+1.
So I hope it is making sense for you people, right?
Right, sir.
Right.
So here default value for step, it is not applicable. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you are clear with these examples, with some more complex expressions, I will explain. Are you comfortable up to this? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now listen carefully. I am taking S of 1 colon, okay, 1 colon -2, 1 colon -2. So my requirement is starting from first location till -2. That means B, C, D, E. This is my requirement. Can anyone tell me what is the step value that you have to take for this?
1
1.
+1 or -1?
+1.
+1.
+1. So you know very well. Why? Because 1 plus first index B, 1 plus 1. So +1 +1. Like this, it will reach up to -3 because the other side you have given negative. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now see what output you are going to get. Is the expected output came or not? Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
So now I am taking one more case study. Like I am giving -5 colon, okay, -5 colon +5. So my requirement is CDE. Tell me how much step value we have to take now?
1
+1 or -1?
+1.
Correct? If I take
Yes.
+1, what will happen? First -5. It is nothing but C. -5 +1, -4. Because you can see it is in forward direction, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's why. Let me check whether we are getting the same thing or not. Yes. Now, sir, same expression. If I am taking -1, what is the output, sir? So you need to identify one thing. First, you need to look for step value. By seeing the step value, you have to decide whether it is moving in forward direction or reverse direction. Tell me what is the step value for this example?
-1.
-1. So tell me what is the movement? Is it from left to right or from right to left?
Right to left.
Right.
Hmm?
Right to left.
Right to left.
Right to left. If you take -5 as the first one, what will be the second index? -6.
-6.
-6.
-7. Like that. Is it going to reach 5?
No.
No, sir.
No. So then what is the output you are expecting?
Blank.
Empty string. Empty string. Clear,
Okay.
sir?
Yes, sir.
So who is going to play an important role? Step
Step
value.
value.
Step value.
So everyone understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Now my question, next one. My question is, I want to take S of, okay, so S of 0 colon 7 colon step value I am taking 0. What is the output, sir?
The whole string again.
Hmm?
The
The
whole
one
string.
string will only print.
Can I say step value is 0 means meaningless, right?
Yes.
So you can expect an error. What is that error? Slice step cannot
Cannot
be
Be
0.
0.
This is the only case where you are going to get error for slice operator. Let me recall the note point. Slice operator part 1, syntax 1 never generates any error. Slice operator syntax 1, movement is always from left to right. Now, Same thing I'm going to write for slice operator syntax 2 generates error when if step is 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So slice operator syntax 2 movement is always decided by step value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if it is positive, as usual, left to right. If it is negative, right to left. And let me write here also. So integer colon integer colon integer. What output you will get? Either single character or a group of characters or empty string. Or sometimes error also. When you will get error? If step value is 0. So this is nothing but the story of slice operator and index concept. It is very, very important to understand. So why? Because by seeing any kind of slice examples, you can able to answer these questions if you know the behavior, how it will be. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Any questions up to this? Right. So next one, a small topic. Of course, it is easy topic only. Accessing characters one by one from the given string. Sir, I have one string is there. How you can access the characters one by one? Tell me in what possible ways are there? Anyone? Can I use index concept?
Yes, we can use slicing index.
Yes, sir.
We can use a slice operator also. I think no need to give any examples for this because we covered several examples in the previous sessions. Correct?
Right, sir.
So now third one, there is one more approach is there, sir. We can use while loop also. What is the fourth one is we can use for each loop also. Now I will take some examples how to fetch the characters. So consider the same string I'm going to take. Same string I'm going to take. Sir, I will take index value. What is the starting index value?
0.
0. Until that index value is less than length of the string. So in this example, what is the length of the string?
7.
7. Until your index value is less than 7, what I am doing, I am trying to print s of index. Then index is equal to index plus 1 I am taking. I will first execute this program. Later, I will go for explanation. All characters are coming. Now observe carefully. What is the initial value of index? 0.
0.
Is it less than length of the string? Yes. Print the character at 0th location, which is nothing but a. Then it is incremented by 1 unit. 1 less than 7. Yes, true. So 2 less than 7. Yes, true. So 3 less than 7. Yes, true. So 4 less than 7. Yes, true. 5 less than 7. Yes, true. 6 less than 7. Yes, true. 7 less than 7. False. This is nothing but the output what we are expecting. Any questions? Any
Clear,
questions?
sir.
Right. So I will do some small modifications here. Like in a formatted string, I am trying to print index value and associated character like this. Then instead of index is equal to index plus 1, I am taking index plus is equal to 1. Just I'm trying to reduce the possible ways. Now what is output you will get in this case? So each and every location and a corresponding character. So this is in forward direction what we have. Sir, I don't want like this. I want negative indexing also. Tell me what is the starting value negative index, sir?
minus
1.
1,
What is the ending value?
minus 8, or length of h plus 1.
Can I say minus of length of s plus 1?
Yes, sir.
How much you have to add? Minus 1, correct?
Minus 1. Yep.
So now let us run this code and check. Sir, nothing is printing. Why? Because minus 1 is less than minus of length of the string is nothing but what? 7. 7 plus 1 means 8. Sir, is minus 1 is less than minus 8? Is it true or false?
False.
False. Then what you need to take? Can I take greater than symbol?
Yes.
Now see, sir, is the required output came or not?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you are clear with this. Sir, now one more thing. You are printing from minus 1 to minus 7, like in the reverse direction. But my requirement is I want to print ABC only with negative indexing. Like first I need to get this one. Sir, how to change this? Just initial value is not minus 1. What you need to take, sir?
Minus
Minus
8.
of length of a string plus 1. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Until index value is what is the
Minus
last
1.
index value? Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Can I take less than 0?
Yes.
Then index is equal to index plus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now see what is output you are getting. Sir, string index out of range. What is the problem here? Anyone debug? Index value is initially minus 8. Sir, is minus 8 is available? No, right?
No.
So that's why what you need to take? Minus of length of the string only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Like this, just you need to debug. Sir, minus 1 to minus 7 is it is printing. So hope you understood how to think and how to write these kind of logics. Any questions? How to fetch the characters one by one from the given string? Sir, using while loop. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, can we take one more example for this?
Madam?
I'm audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, can we take one more example for this?
This code is same, right? Just you can take only strings. That's all. Because it is the template is same, right?
Right, sir.
Then no need for multiple examples because you are going to change only string. That's all. This code will never change, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, clear everyone? So one more thing is there, sir. I don't want this index story and all. My requirement is I want to fetch the characters one by one. We can use for each loop. For each character present in string, it is applicable for collections. I am printing ch. So what output you are going to get? Let me print. You can see the characters one by one. It got printed. Any questions? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So someone is telling, sir, you are going fast. Actually,
Yeah,
uh,
please.
yeah,
I mean,
I can understand. One more thing, these are basics, ma'am. Actually, we have not started yet a DSA. Okay,
yeah, but
so these,
I mean,
but I can
just
understand.
slow down. You're going too
Okay,
fast, I feel.
I will try because these
Anyway,
are the concepts which already you know, right? So that's why just I'm going to refresh your knowledge. Okay, I will try. Right. Sir, next example. Listen, here we are fetching the characters one by one from the given string, like in forward direction. So here, who is going to take the responsibility of index? Internally, it will take, but that is not my requirement. I want to get the characters in reverse direction. Can anyone tell me what modification you need to do in this program?
Like use slicing concept. Like
Where we have to use, in which line we need to use a slicing?
Sir, if we say
second
print
line,
minus ch,
Sir, no.
second line
How you
slicing
can say,
concept.
sir, minus ch is not going to work because
Colon one.
ch indicates a character. Like first time it is a. Can I take a minus a? Meaningless, right? Okay. So what you need to do is, here instead of getting from the string, source string, just you can use colon colon minus 1. What is the meaning of this? Already original string is there. From that I'm going to get a piece of a string. That is nothing but I applied a slicing concept. If I apply slicing, what will happen? Sir, a portion of string you will get. So what is the direction here? Right to left. And we have not given any starting value and ending value. If the direction is -1, we know what is the default value for start and end. Can I say, is it -1 and -8? Correct, right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So automatically you are going to get the reverse order, like G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable? That's all. This is nothing but how to fetch the characters one by one from the given string. Please confirm, everyone clear up to this?
Clear, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah. So with this, I'm going to stop today's session. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Sir, tomorrow is the last demo session. So from day after tomorrow, regular link we are going to share. So if you are having any doubts with respect to the course, please let me know.
Sir, one question here, okay, regarding the timing. So, is there any DSA batch starting in the morning, sir? Because right now, maybe I have some conflicts in the coming days, so I will not be able to attend full fledged. So, is there any batch starting in the morning so that I can shift to that batch?
No, sir. As of now, there is no morning batch. Even in future also, you can't expect any morning batch. So only evening times I'm going to take this batch. You can do one
Okay.
thing, just you can register for this course whenever you have a time, attend the live session. Otherwise, you can go through the recording whenever you are not feeling to attend. So because of your office work, you can watch the video on the same day or next day. When you have a time, you can attend the regular class.
Okay, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Any other
Once
queries?
can you go through this like programs which you have written on strings operations, like reversing it and all?
You mean to say, do you want repetition again?
Like just yeah. I mean the
Yes.
above two programs, not the
Yeah.
last one.
So here you can see, just we are fetching the
Yeah, this
characters.
one is okay. The above two programs.
Which programs? This one?
Yeah, this one and the above one too.
Yeah. So here you can see what is the starting value of index we have taken, -1. My requirement is this one, like -1, which character is there, -2, which character is there, like that. So we know in the string, it will be always from right to left. So the movement of direction is in this case. So we have to fix, already I explained, right? What is the starting value that we have to take? -1. What is the ending value we have to take? So minus of length of the string plus 1. What is the length of the string? We have totally 7 characters. 7 plus 1 means -8. So what about step value? We need to take -1. Correct? So that starting index I have given as a -1. Minus of 8 plus 1
Step
is nothing but
value is
first
okay.
-1, right? Next -2. next to -3. Then only we can reach -8, right?
Got it. Yeah.
So
The
that's
above
why
program.
this is the program. And if you take the previous next program, almost same thing. But what is their requirement? Reverse. So don't start from -1. So we have to start from where? -7. And we have to end with where? -1. What is the step value? +1. Are you seeing? 7 plus 1 is -6. -6 plus 1 is -5. So starting value -7 means how you can write programmatically? Length of the string. -1. You have to start from -7, -6 up to -1. What is the next value? 0, right? Up to less than 0 you need to take. That is the condition. How much you are adding? +1, right? This is the formula. So in the slice operation, whatever I explained, the same thing. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Sir, any other queries? So right, sir. With this, I'm going to conclude today's session. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Okay? Right, sir. Thank you.